Okay, so here we have my Photon plugged into the LiPo battery and through the battery shield, and I'm just going to make sure I'm going to be affecting the right photon. I wasn't. Here we go, Joni. Back to code. There is a simple library setup for this. It's the SparkFun Max 17043. You can see here it's all set up to use this battery backpack. So what you can do, we'll just use the simple example for the moment. And all you end up doing is sending that to your Photon, and there is, you can see here, I'm going to include those links to your device in the description of the video, and I'll show them here, but there are 3 public variables: voltage, state of charge, and alert for the backpack, which means you can monitor remotely how your backpack is doing at any given time, as long as you have when it's charging. So let's copy these. I'm going to put them into a basic text file so that I can access them later. If you want to find your device's ID, you open device, you click on the right arrow here, and your device ID is here, and you can copy that, put it into the device ID location in these URLs, removing the entire bracketed area. If you want your access code, you hit settings, and your access token is available here. This is, so you take your access token and you replace access token with your actual access token. So now you have your fully formed URLs, and you can copy and paste them directly into a browser. Oh, sorry, hold on a second. That's right. I actually have to send that code to my Photon. So let's just update the Photon. Oh, let's go library. So if you get that error, you can, we're going to include it. I'm not sure why it wouldn't be included in that example file, but we'll send it over and just see if that takes care of the problem. Okay, there we go. We need to make sure that we don't have a double declaration. Hold on. I'm going to take it over the top here because. Alright, let's try again. Yeah. So that's kind of funny that the guy didn't make sure that his library was included in his example, but that's fine. That's how you do it. So let's send it over to my Photon. Okay. I wonder if I can just track these using the devices tab. So here's Joni here. We can get those. So there you go. Voltage, current voltage, 4.1. State of charge is 89.75%. And there is no alert. So the easiest way to do it is you go to your devices tab and your console. Okay? But the ability, the ability to paste, to paste in and access those variables, and here's my result here, 4.1. Whoop. Okay. Which you can see here, same thing. So I can just go ahead and grab it here. Oop, I didn't want to, doesn't matter. I didn't realize that that's what that does, it copies to your clipboard. Interesting. Okay, so you can change your request from voltage to SOC, state of charge, and it'll return that value as well, 89.75%. And specifically because when you actually decide you're going to charge it, you may want to track its current charge state, right? So it's actually charging the battery now. So when I change my, or double check my state of charge, it ought to be increasing. Maybe not as quickly as I might hope. but try again. Oop. There you go. So there's the change. It is increasing. It's charging a battery, so it's going to take a little while, but that is the easiest way you can track online. You can track the state of charge and voltage of your LiPo battery that's plugged into your battery shield. So that's handy dandy.